Hi people. So I found this video on like TikTok or like or something like a while ago, and then like it was how to make a realistic water droplet, and it's actually easy. So yeah, I'm good. It was actually on paper, but I'm going to be testing it out on IBS Paint. So yeah, first I have to make like a circle. I'm gonna make it like gray because like if it was that actual paper, then it wouldn't be like, well, it would be like in pencil. So yeah, let me just make that circle. Alright, now I need to get a section area. Alright, so now on the outside I'm supposed to like draw a crescent. It's like supposed to be for shadow. Okay, so now you see that I have a really hard time with drawing crescents for some reason. So yeah, this will take a while. A really long time. Alright, so now that you've watched me suffer while trying to draw a crescent, now I need to like lighten it since it's for shadow. Okay, for some reason I'm also having a hard time lightening it. Or not, never mind. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fix the circle because like it's a little bit wobbly. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix the circle. Alright, still really wobbly, but I guess it's better. Alright, now we need to get the section area again because next I have to like draw another crescent inside the circle. Watch me struggle to draw a crescent again, but this time like I'm kind of better at it. Alright, now I just need to fill that in. Okay, so now if it was on like paper, then I would just do the black, and then I had to color it in with like a white color pencil and then blend it in. But like IBS Paint has a white canvas, so yeah, I'm good. Anyway, I like lightened it because again, it's supposed to be like pencil. Okay, so now I have to like get white. Normally I would have done this with a gel pen, but yeah, it's IBS Paint. So I just get white and draw a little exclamation mark. Let me kind of fix that there. Alright, good enough. So this is what it turned out like. I don't really know if it looks like a water droplet or not. Wait, let me remove the section area. Okay, any day now. Oh wait, no. Okay, I'm confused. Alright, now I removed it. So this is what it ended up like, and I don't really know if it's a water droplet or not, but yeah. Anyway, that's it. Bye.